Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Today, that is 9th February, an important circular has issued by CBSE to the principals, heads, and all CBSE affiliated schools. Subject: introduction of on-screen marking, that is OSM, for class 12 examination. Madam or Sir, the Central Board of Secondary Education conducts class 10 and 12 board examinations actually in India and across 26 countries, catering to nearly 46 lakh students. In its continuous effort to enhance efficiency and transparency, the board has decided to introduce on-screen marking, that is OSM, for the evaluation of class 12 answer books beginning with the 2026 examination. Evaluation of class 10 answer books will continue in physical mode as before in 2026. The following benefits of OSM have been envisaged. So, plus 2 examination will be on the basis of OSM, and evaluation of class 10 answer books will continue in physical mode itself, not OSM. The following benefits of OSM have been envisaged. First one, elimination of totaling errors. Second one, automated coordination, reducing manual intervention. Number 3, faster evaluation with wider teacher participation. Fourth point, teachers can remain in their school and continue regular duties. Fifth one, savings in transportation time and cost. Sixth one, post-result verification marks will no longer be required. Reduced manpower requirement for verification. Then eighth point, opportunity for all schools to contribute to the evaluation. Number 9, involvement of teachers from all affiliated schools globally. 10th point, environmentally sustainable digital evaluation. Schools are requested to ensure the readiness of the following. First one, the computer lab with a public static IP as per affiliation bylaw. That is public static IP means a fixed permanent address assigned by internet service provider. Then PC/laptop with Windows OS 8 or above, or 4 GB RAM or higher and 1 GB free space on C:/drive. C:/drive means the default letter for main storage volume that Windows uses for the operating system. Apps are by default your user folders. And third one, latest internet browser Chrome or Edge or IE or Firefox. Then fourth point, Adobe Reader downloadable from https://get.adobe.com/reader/. Then fifth point, reliable internet connectivity minimum 2 Mbps. Then sixth point, uninterrupted power supply. To facilitate smooth implementation, CBSE will allow all teachers with IASIS IDs to log in and familiarize themselves with the system. The second point, conduct multiple dry runs for practice. Third one, organize training programs to explain the system. Fourth one, establish a call center for issue resolution. Fifth one, release instructional videos for better understanding. So, detailed instructions for each activity will be issued separately to ensure timely action by all stakeholders. This communication is intended to inform all concerned of the board's decisions and to request necessary preparations. Best wishes, Dr. Sanim Bharadwaj, Controller of Examination. Then one more circular is issued today. Let us see.